I'll be honest, I didn't plan on switching code editors. Every developer says the same thing. This new AI will change everything. Most don't. But Cursor AI kept showing up everywhere, so I finally gave in and tried it. And within the first hour, I realized this isn't just another AI add-on. Step 1. Why Cursor AI caught my attention. Cursor is basically a code editor with AI built directly inside it. Not a separate chat, not constant copy pasting. The AI is right there while you code. That alone solves a problem most developers are tired of. Step 2. The first time I used it. The moment that got me was when I highlighted a messy chunk of code and asked it to clean it up. Seconds later, rewritten, clearer, simpler. I just sat there thinking, okay, that would have taken me way longer. It didn't feel flashy, it felt practical. And that's way more important. Step 3. What actually makes it different? Here's where Cursor surprised me. It understands your project context, so instead of explaining everything again and again, it already gets what you're working on. Less back and forth, less frustration. It almost feels like coding with someone looking over your shoulder, in a good way. Step 4. But let me ground you for a second. It's not perfect. Sometimes the suggestions miss, sometimes you still need to guide it. And no, it's not replacing developers anytime soon. You still need to know what good code looks like. Think of it as a very fast assistant, not an autopilot. Step 5. Who Cursor AI is really for. If you code daily, this can seriously speed things up. Less debugging time, less searching Stack Overflow, more building. But if you're brand new to coding, don't expect it to carry you. AI helps skill, it doesn't replace it. Final thoughts. So before getting Cursor AI, don't buy into the hype, but don't ignore it either. It won't magically turn you into a 10 times developer, but it can remove a lot of friction from your workflow. And honestly, once you get used to that, it's hard to go back. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.